Hi, this is PR Sundar. Welcome to Pre-Market Report sponsored by Delta.exchange. Workshop in March. If you are interested, contact our office and pay up the price before Jan 31st so that we keep the same old price. And after that, the fees will be increased. Yesterday, the markets were very volatile, but it did not close at the low end of the day. It closed at the high end of the day, in fact, highest end of the day. In fact, the last half an hour, there was a big rally. Because of that, the Nifty future will be trading as per the weighted average closing. So yesterday's the Nifty future closing was way below, at least 50 points below the actual closing. The actual closing of Nifty was about 25,200. Now, what has happened in the past, I told you many times, if on expiry day, the market trade at the close to the lowest end of the day, then there will be a uniform rally on the first trading session. So now that first trading session today is going to be rally or not. It is doubtful by looking at the pattern. That is one thing. Second thing, just now I was looking at some international websites. One website says European markets rallied because of a mother of all trade deal with India. And European deal with India, Europe markets are rallying, but what is happening to India? Yesterday, incidentally, US markets closed at the highest point of the day and closed at a fresh all-time high. So US market fresh all-time high. Asian markets, most of them are trading in green. And today, South Korea market, where the Trump is threatening with higher tariff for automobile of South Korea. Even that market is trading at all-time high today. But what is happening to India? It's very far away from all-time high. But however, as I told you, the markets can be volatile. In a matter of few minutes, it can fall 200 points, and then matter of next few minutes, it can shoot up 200 points. So one thing is very clear. The markets are going to be volatile until the budget is clear. So only on February 1, we can get some direction. Until then, market can go up, can go down. Markets can go all over the places. Especially yesterday in the post-market report, I mentioned that the Bank Nifty has shot up more than 1,000 points from intraday low to intraday high. So that is a kind of a short covering happening. Okay, maybe yesterday we can say IndusInd Bank result came, Kotak Bank result came, Axis Bank result came. So because of this, positioning in F&O, long, short, probably that could have happened. But still, all this happening on an expiry day, 4 times, 5 times, Nifty moved 200 point up, 200 point down. It was really a crazy move. And one more thing, where, the Indian government is so much against huge volume in F&O. Let me tell you, only the huge volume can make the market stable. Like if the government takes all measures so that half of the F&O players get out of the market, then this is what can happen. Market can go up 500 points, can come down by 500 points in the half an hour, because when somebody wants to some small quantity, there are no buyers. When somebody wants to buy some quantity, there are no sellers. Markets can be hugely volatile. So we will see, if there is something good in the budget, related to stock market. whether the government is taking the right measure or people advising the government is giving the right advice. So we have to wait and see. So we have another, few days and Sunday. Coming back to our market, so as I told you, as and when 25,000 is broken on the downside, so I'm bullish. So I told you I'll be coming out with some strategies, budget strategies, but I was too busy, so I did not have time. So I'll try my best today to come out with one budget strategy. But I can tell you, this is I would say, as long as the budget is not doing anything bad, markets are likely to see some kind of a relief rally. So my whole budget strategy is based on the fact that, market has factored in all the negative things. So nobody is expecting any good budget. So market has already factored in all the bad things. Now, if the really bad budget comes, it is expected. But if there is some good budget, then it is a positive surprise. So as I told you in the budget strategy video last Sunday, if market, gets some positive surprise in the budget, there can be a huge short covering rally. So that rally can take our market to all-time high within few days. Right? So based on that only, I'm devising my strategies. So today, probably I will come out with such strategy. Last series, Jan series, I think there were 2 public holidays. So there were 18 trading sessions. Out of 18 trading sessions, only 1 trading session for 300 crore or 400 crore, FIIs were net buyers. But other than that, FIIs were net sellers in all the 17 trading sessions. So FIIs in the last 1 year, in the last 1 month, in the last 1 week, they are giving a clear message to government of India, please do something good for the stock market. So otherwise, they are not happy. Indian currency is the worst performing currency in the last 1 year or even in 1 month. And Indian stock market is the worst market in the last 1 year or even in the last 1 month. So now everything hinges on budget. So let us hope they give some kind of a shocker to the FIIs so that, market rallies. So otherwise, today is the first trading session. There's no point in talking open interest and this and that. So we will see what is going to happen today. Based on that, we will try to forecast for the next few trading sessions. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. Thank you for watching.